going
What's
down, yo?
up?
We're back with another video about
Yes.
DanYo&Tita. We went to Sonic.
Yes. We finally found something worth reviewing.
Well, she was popping blocking with this. So we went to Sonic because we haven't did a food review in a minute.
It's been a
so
while.
it's like, let's throw something out there for our food review peoples. Let's subscribe to our channel. So we went to Sonic. We love going to Sonic.
We love Sonic.
Everybody loves
They maybe
Sonic.
mess up your order and all, you know.
So Sonic got this new real fruit berry shakes.
Say that one more time.
Real fruit berry shakes.
We'll see.
It says, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
You ready for this?
I am ready.
The new fruit berry shakes are blended with real berries. And they're real ice cream shake. You know what I'm talking about?
What?
They got 3 of them. They got 3 of them.
You got 3. Tres.
Uno, dos, tres. They got 3 of them. They got the real fruit berry strawberry, real ice cream blended with real strawberries. They got real fruit berry blueberry, real ice cream blended with real blueberries. And then they got real fruit berry triple berry, a combination of real ice cream, combination of strawberries, blackberries, raspberry, and wild berry flavors.
What?
Word.
What?
Word.
Let's check it
So
out.
we didn't get all 3.
No.
But you know, we got them. Which one did you get?
I think I got the triple. And
You ain't got the triple.
Oh no, I got the strawberry.
She don't even know what
He
she got,
the
y'all.
triple. I ordered it, whatever. No heat. Diga su madre.
I got the triple.
You want me to hurt you, bro?
I'm gonna drink your strawberry.
No, you're not.
So I got the triple.
I got
You got strawberry.
Fresa. Él es un fresa.
The strawberry. Ooh, this is good.
What? They're like kicking. They're like, shh. You have to wait a minute though.
Yeah, I like that because you can tell it's real ice cream because of how thick it is.
I'm sorry, Sonic, but this takes me back to Foster Freeze. It really does. That old vintage ice cream shake.
I can taste the berries in here a lot.
You guys are the best. You guys are really nailed it with this.
Is that good, huh?
Mm-hmm. You want to give me yours?
No.
Because you love me so much.
I like it. The fruit is very bursty.
It's smooth though. It's not like
smooth.
It doesn't have no aftertaste.
And we out here in Arizona. I ain't drinking all this because, you know, people know I'm watching our intake. But
I like it though.
you can taste all that. My drink can taste the berries. I just like the ice cream. And you know what's dope about living in Arizona?
What?
When you buy these and you take it home, it melts just a little bit. Just right amount of
Just
milk.
enough for you to be able to
enjoy
it.
Word. But anyway,
Do you guys, Sonic, another thumbs up.
Sonic, you're on point with your new fruit, real fruit berry
Wait,
shakes.
say it again.
Real fruit berry shakes with real ice cream.
Blend.
I think this is a thumb up.
2 thumbs up.
Is it 2 thumbs up?
I think this is a 2
Tell us
thumbs
what y'all
up.
think about the new Sonic.
Are we overhyping it?
I don't know.
I don't know, but our Sonic does it right.
They love us.
They love us.
But check this out. Tell us what y'all think about the new Sonic real fruit berry shake. Leave it down in the comment section. Leave your thoughts and opinions. Hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't thumbs down. Stay there with us,
With
DanYo&Tita.
us.